Hi there, we are going to be talking about standard form of an angle. This is in terms of what it looks like as well as what positive angles look like versus negative angles. And here we go. So we are going to be working on the coordinate plane or Cartesian plane, depending on which you feel like saying, or the thingy with the x-axis and the y-axis, that thing, yes. What this is going to be is that when you draw an angle in standard form, one side is always going to be right here. That is 100% always going to be the case. Very important to know that. One side is always here. You are never going to have like a V over here or something over here like that. One side is always here, and that is called the initial side. When you make the angle, the other one is going to be called the terminal part of it, but it can be anywhere. It can be right here. Let's just do it like that. This would be the terminal side of the angle. And if I was to put a little mark here showing that this is the angle, then this right here would be considered a positive angle. It is positive because at this initial side right here, you would move counterclockwise to get to it. So positive is counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Meanwhile, if you were to do the same thing over here, one side is always going to be there, and I was to draw an angle here this time, and I was to draw my little marker here, this would be considered a negative angle because it is going clockwise from the initial side. So I start at the initial, and then I would move clockwise to get to this angle, and that is considered a negative. So maybe this is negative 100 degrees. I don't know. Maybe this one right here is 83 degrees. I don't know. But the point is this is a positive angle because I went counterclockwise, and this one's a negative. Third example, if I was to draw an angle and I was to go like this as an angle, then technically right now I don't know if it's positive or negative because it's not labeled. But as soon as I put like a mark right here, I can say this is definitely a positive angle because it is opening in this direction. The reason they do it this way is because this is the first quadrant, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. So it's always opening into the next quadrant. It's going first, second, third, fourth, just like you would with going with the quadrants. Opening positive just goes 1, 2, 3, 4, positive direction. Or negative is going backwards. So if you go 4, 3, 2, 1, that's the negative direction. Hopefully that makes sense. You know, it's just positive versus negative. But no matter what, you always start here. Positive direction opening or negative direction opening.